Today we are going to be unboxing the PHOTOBIO CX2125. We will take you through a step-by-step process of how to set up and operate your new PHOTOBIO CX. Before starting your installation, be sure to have a flat, clean workspace. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. The box should include the PHOTOBIO CX2125 fixture, a 10-foot control cable, eye hooks, C-hangers, and the instruction manual. Okay, let's remove your CX fixture from the box with care and place it on your flat workspace. Next, decide on how you would like to mount your fixture. There are two different mounting methods. Either use the 4 stainless steel eye hooks or the integrated mounts. For suspended mounting, install eye bolts into the holes. Once secure, attach the clip end of the sling hangers to the eye hooks and then hang. For strut mounting, install the C-hangers into the M6 holes with M6 bolts. Be sure to crisscross the direction of the C-hangers to ensure the most secure mounting. Once the C-hangers are secure, the CX can be mounted to the truss. Complete your installation by connecting the power cable harness with the driver AC connector into your power outlet. If you choose the optional dimming connection, use the provided dimming cable to interface with the photo lock connector. And that's it. Power on your PHOTOBIO CX and enjoy the winning combination of superior photon flux and excellent value. PHOTOBIO CX, the ultimate power play. Our most powerful LED yet. Extraordinary performance, extreme efficiency, exacting design. Visit phantombio.com for more information.